Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by targeting the most likely spots. Don't wander. Quickly check pockets, backpacks, and usual charging areas while your phone's Bluetooth page is open so you can watch connection changes. Once done, turn on a flashlight to inspect crevices and under cushions. Small cases hide in folds. Make sure your phone stays nearby and silenced so you notice reconnections. If the case has a LED or magnetic clasp, those visual cues help you spot it fast without moving everything at once. You now get technical. Open the manufacturer app or your phone's device list and run a scan or ping. If the case supports a lost alarm or the earbuds can emit sound while inside, trigger that and listen carefully. Once you hear a tone, narrow down by walking in slow 1 to 2 meter sweeps and watching signal strength bars or RSSI in the app. If signal drops, you're moving away. If it rises, close in. Make sure to check inside furniture gaps and under cushions as you follow the signal. You finish by physically checking last resort spaces, car seats, pockets of recently worn clothes, and laundry. If the case shows offline, retrace your timeline from the last connected time and politely ask family or coworkers to check their areas. Once found, test its charge and clean contacts. If not found, use the app's lost report and mark the case as lost. Troubleshooting tip. If you get no signal, power cycle your phone and toggle Bluetooth. Then repeat the slow sweep. Sometimes connection resets reveal the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.